Hi everybody, we're going to continue the data today, and we're going to do that this week anyway, and it's enjoyable, and it's quite easy, I think, really, as well. Okay, that's handy to know. So bar graphs, pie charts, tally charts, bar line graphs, and trend graphs, they're all a picture that gives us a story, and our eye likes them. Our eye can understand immediately what a graph is trying to say. Okay, so the easy part is reading the graph. The more difficult part is to draw a graph. So you'll be doing that today. All we're doing now online is I'm going to go over this bar graph with you, and then you're going to make one in your copies. Okay, that's kind of the more challenging bit. I hope you all have your rulers. Okay, B1. The Murphy family have created a bar chart to show how much they spent on food during January. Okay, it's like the Aldi ad, isn't it? How much they can save if they shop in Aldi. But anyway, this is, so you have, like you did with Mr. Day, you have your two axes, or axes as they're called. So you have the x-axis, which goes across horizontally, and you have the y-axis, which goes vertically. Okay, and on our x-axis, we have the weeks, and on our y-axis, we have the money. Doesn't make any difference which, in this graph, which is which. You could do it, you could do the whole thing horizontally, and it would give you exactly the same picture. So it's quite clear there that they spend a lot of quite different amounts of money on their shopping from week to week. Okay, so another important thing is to find out how much money is in each block. Now it's not €1. Look, each block represents €10. So in week one, they spent €20 on food. That doesn't seem like a lot, does it? Maybe they had stuff left over from Christmas. Anyway, so they spent €20 all the way up to the most expensive week, which was week 4, which was €90. Okay, maybe it was somebody's birthday or something like that. Okay, so question A, in which week did they spend the most money? So there you're looking at the biggest block. What was the least amount of money they spent? It was this one, wasn't it? Now, they're not asking you when, they're asking you how much. So careful with the questions. 20. Over the month of January, what was their average spending on food? Their average spending. How are we going to work it out? Okay, well, we'll work it out this way. You have to add them all up and divide by the amount of weeks. Yeah? And then we'll find out. So we know it's going to be less than 90. But more than 20. And if it's under 20, we've done something wrong. And if it's over 90, we've done something wrong. Be in the middle somewhere. Okay? So you add them all up. So that's 20 plus 40 makes 60, plus 30 is 90, plus another 90 is 180, plus 50 is 230, and you divide 230 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 into 23 goes 4 times. So it's €36 a week, something like that. 46 €46 a week is what I got there. In my head, I could be wrong, but you'll correct me if I'm wrong. Okay, and then D, can you suggest a reason why the Murphys did not spend the same amount of money on food each week? Birthdays? Food left over from Christmas? I don't know, they didn't feed their children one of the weeks? Who's to say? I don't know. Okay, so that's our bar chart. You know how to read those. Now what you're going to do for me today is this question. It's on the next page, on page 21, and you're going to investigate. So there's a lot of copying from your book and writing it on a page or in your copy, all right? All the children in Miss Kelly's class had a vote on their favourite pet. They collected the results using a tally sheet. Now, tally sheet, see these tallies? Very handy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Each of these little matchsticky things here represents one pet, and you put 5 pets together in one of these. So we can count 5, 10, 15, 17. And there's the dogs. So I want you to copy those, and I want you to make the bar chart and answer the questions. Now, I'm going to give you 2 days to do that. Okay? Oh, because that's a lot of work. So you have 2 days to do that. All right? I'm going to send another video as well. Okay? You have 2 days to do that. So I'll send another video today or tomorrow. Bye.